if you're watching this video, it means you are on the verge of applying for your indefinite leave to remain ILR, commonly referred to as permanent residency in the UK. Congratulations on reaching this stage. If you are going through the ILR application process independently, it's crucial to avoid the common pitfalls that many others encounter. Today, we will dive deep into the detail of ILR, covering the necessary documents, a checklist, acceptable gaps in residency, and the latest updates regarding ILR. If you are eager to learn more, be sure to stick around until the end of this video. Let's kick things off by discussing the eligibility criteria for applying for ILR. First of all, ILR stands for indefinite leave to remain, as you know that, which is also known as permanent residency or settlement. There are various terms for it. You can typically apply for ILR after residing in the UK continuously for about 5 years, although this can vary based on your visa type. There's also the option of applying after 10 years of continuous lawful residence, known as long residency. But generally, it's 5 years of continuous lawful residence in most of the visa. When it comes to absences, generally you shouldn't be away from UK for more than 180 days within any 12-month period during your qualifying residency. If you go over this limit, there's a good chance your ILR application could be denied. However, there are exceptional circumstances for absence longer than 6 months, such as serious illness affecting you, or a close relative conflict in your home country, or natural disasters like volcanic eruptions or tsunamis that prevent travels. These situations can be considered compelling reasons, and if you can provide solid evidence to support your case, discretion may be granted. As for the new ILR rules for the 10-year route, there was a very minor update that took effect in April 24. This change is unlikely to affect many applicants, such as it simply aligns the long residency ILR with other ILR applications. The rules regarding absence remain the same. Total absences should not exceed 18 months, and no single absence should be longer than 6 months. The subtle change and introduced by the Home Office is that in any rolling 12-month period, your absences should not exceed 180 days. While this is a minor technical adjustment, it shouldn't significantly impact most applicants. The next one, common reasons for ILR rejections. So these include failing to meet the continuous residency requirements, poorly prepared applications, and excessive absences, and insufficient evidence of English language proficiency. As part of ILR application, you must provide proof of your English language skills and pass life in UK test. Some applicants struggle with the life in UK test, which can lead to refusals. Other significant reasons for rejections may include criminal convictions and breaches of immigration rules. Next question mostly people ask: when preparing to apply, it's essential to gather a standard checklist. For instance, if you travel abroad for a holiday, the day you leave the UK and the day you return do not count as absences. So if you, for example, if you leave on September 15 and return on September 16, so that counts as 0 absence. If you return on September 17, so then you only have 1 absence for September 15 or 16. When you applied for your ILR, you submitted a screenshot of the leave request made at your company. But what if your company is small and doesn't have a formal leave tracking system? In that case, what you need to do? So you need a letter from HR, and what type of evidence is necessary to show that you requested leave during that time. Nowadays, it's essential to provide proof when applying for ILR. As a skilled worker, you should obtain a letter from your employer confirming your annual leave for the entire 5-year qualifying period. The best approach is to simply ask your employer to provide a letter on a company letterhead that verifies your absences and annual leaves. So next one, mostly asked the people question is, what are the current timeline for applying for ILR? So as of September 24, the usual processing time is up to 6 months. However, if you opt for the super premium service, which costs £1,000, you can receive a decision with I think so. I have covered a lot about ILR. So before I conclude today's video, remember to plan ahead for your life in the UK test. Start tracking your absences over the weekend and check your travel history in advance. If necessary, obtain letters from your employer. Planning is, the key. Also, don't forget to seek professional legal advice. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.